Welcome back to Putzel Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make two different types of vegetarian meatballs. The first one that I'm going to demonstrate is with eggplant, and it's inspired by Pamela Saltzman. First, we're going to start by putting a Dutch oven over medium heat with a little bit of olive oil, and add a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic or minced garlic, and then add our chopped eggplant. After simmering for 20 minutes on low heat, the eggplant came out so nice and soft and well cooked. I'm just going to set that aside and let it cool, and now we're going to do the other version. So this version, I'm adding 1 chopped zucchini and 8 ounces of chopped mushrooms. Now that the eggplant mixture, which I have in my food processor, is cooled, as well as the zucchini and mushroom mixture, I'm just going to very lightly pulse it to make sure that it is chopped but not pureed. You can do that by hand as well. This is the vegan Parmesan cheese. Add that. Then I have 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs and a little bit of fresh basil got in there. I have a pinch of fresh basil. Then I'm going to put about a teaspoon of dried oregano and about a teaspoon of dried basil. We don't need to add any salt because we already have that in the Parmesan cheese. And then a handful of chopped parsley. I actually left the meatball mixtures in the refrigerator overnight. You could leave it just for a half an hour to set. You don't have to set it all, but it's easier to work with. And I'm just gonna take an ice cream scoop and form little balls like the size of golf balls and spread them across the baking sheet. I'm gonna bake the meatballs in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. When they're nice and golden brown on the outside, I'll know that they're finished and ready to eat. And I'm gonna heat up some tomato sauce. Either take your homemade tomato sauce, or this is my favorite go-to. I love the Rayo's marinara. They also make a nice spicy one. And I'm gonna heat this up and serve this with the meatballs as well as some pasta.